Welcome to a technical deep dive into the world of induction motors. This video explores the dichotomy between the Wound Rotor and the Squirrel Cage designs. Induction motors, the industrial workhorse, account for nearly 90% of all industrial drive systems. The choice between designs hinges on the rotor, which defines the motor's torque, efficiency, and starting characteristics. The Squirrel Cage rotor offers rugged simplicity. It features solid conductive bars, short-circuited by end rings, with no brushes or slip rings. Pros include low maintenance and high reliability, but it offers limited control over starting torque. The Wound Rotor design allows for sophisticated control. It uses a distributed three-phase winding connected to external resistors via slip rings and carbon brushes. This provides exceptionally high starting torque and precise speed control, but at the cost of higher maintenance. Comparing the torque-speed characteristics, the Wound Rotor allows for shifting the peak torque by varying external resistance, enabling high torque at zero speed. The Squirrel Cage has a fixed peak torque curve. Primary selection factors include operating cost, maintenance, and control. Squirrel cages are more efficient and require less maintenance. Wound rotors allow better control and heat dissipation during long starts. The Wound Rotor offers a significant starting torque advantage. While a standard Squirrel Cage delivers 100 to 150% torque at start, the Wound Rotor can be tuned to deliver peak torque immediately at 0 RPM, making it ideal for heavy loads. The Variable Frequency Drive, or VFD, has closed the control gap for Squirrel Cage motors. VFDs enable electronic soft starts, regenerative braking, and superior reliability over older Wound Rotor configurations. Squirrel Cage motors are ideal for steady-state applications where high-inertia starting is not a concern, such as centrifugal pumps, fans, machine tools, and small compressors. Wound Rotor motors are reserved for extreme loads and high-power applications requiring smooth, high-torque starts, including rock crushers, heavy industrial cranes, kiln drives, and mining hoists. In summary, the Squirrel Cage is rugged and economical, but with fixed starting current. The Wound Rotor provides superior starting control and torque, but is more complex and expensive.